guys, so as many of you know, or maybe don't know, I live in a dorm room because I go to boarding school. And no, that's not because my parents thought I was super bad at it. And no, it's not. It's because it's cool. Anyways, today you can see my room, a little sneak peek. But I am going to give you a room tour. So let's get into it. See outside, here are my shoes, my door, my like towels and stuff. And then this was my sign and stuff it kept on dropping and then it melted in the heat and then it cracked. So that is no bueno. My window, okay, then you open the door and that is the inside. Okay, let's start at my mirror. I have a One Direction poster right there and I have my little Polaroids, different things, and then I have the 1989 Polaroids. And they're very cool. It comes with the deluxe CD. Like, yeah, they're very vibey and aesthetic. Also, this mirror is terrible. It works me so much. Like, look at how short I look. I hate it. So, next, we have my window. And I have these little rocks here that I got from our island camping trip. Sea glass. Oh my gosh. The significance of this rock is it's from Candy Apple's Dance Center and Kathy's parking spot. I went all the way to Canton, Ohio for that. And then some other seashells and stuff. And then these are my disposable cameras. I need to get this one developed, but I don't like know where to go. My window, nothing snazzy about that. I have a nice view outside. There we go. Next up is my desk. And okay, the furniture here is kind of ugly. Like this, I don't like the look of it, but people on TikTok make it look cute. So I'm trying my best. Oh, real quick. This is a sea glass thing my sister made. Yes, that is all sea glass we have collected. We love to collect it. That goes right there. It looks nice, doesn't it? Yes, okay. So I have my lamp. Never mind, I don't think it's plugged in. Oh, it came unplugged. Well, you guys get the idea. And so starting here, I have drawers, which are so messy. I won't go there. I have my little skincare thing. Yes, I'm aware I have a lot of those. It's just because I got them for Christmas. And then I'm working on my October bullet journal. This is it so far. And then I need to color in that, which is so exciting. Here are the colors. My clock, which, fun fact about me, I don't know, I really like these types of clocks. I'm really good at seeing the time. It's 2:30, like 3 right now. And then I have this mirror for when I get ready. So then I also have this bulletin board. It just has really random photos, like Timothy Chalamet, Taylor, my friends, One Direction, a lot of random things. Here's some baby photos of me. So now we have Mermaid Harry, also known as Mermary. Then we have my books and pens. This is kind of a messy part. I don't like it. And here are all my CDs. If anyone wants to see my full Taylor Swift collection, I don't have all of One Direction. I have most, but not all. And then onto my favorite part of my room, the plants. So we have some right there. We have Taylor's Good Soup Bowl, which she just came to my room and left it there. So this candle, except we're not allowed to light candles, but it kind of smells good. And then the plants, which I've been trying to keep alive, and it's kind of been successful. Here are some cutesy plants and the plant pots. So I made this one, which is like, ignore that smear right there, but it's actually really cute. And I made that one, and then I did not make that one. And then this one, which is cute, and then that's boring. And then back here, sorry, I'm not tall enough for this. There's that plant pot for my monstera. And then those ones. So sorry, that was very chaotic. And then my dresser, which literally has nothing special about it. Just where I put my clothes. This is the side where I have my clothes. And the next, the corner is like a corner of junk. So here it is. That's my laundry bag, snacks, more snacks. And my scooter. Story time. My scooter was stolen. And I'm going to find who stole it. Yeah, and it came back kind of broken. It actually did not come back. My friend found it for me, so thanks. Now on to the most important part is my bed, because I sleep here, and that's what a dorm room is for. So we got this flower pattern pillowcases with this complimentary blue color and this complimentary blue pillow and my little stuffed animal. So I put the drawers under my bed, and that's how I have so much space. Also, this white, why did I get a white rug? It shows up a lot more on camera, but maybe it's time for me to wash it, even though I have no clue how to do that. So yeah, then another one of my favorite parts is up above. I just finished this. It's actually not finished because I'm going to keep on adding things. It's my poster wall. And so there's some very cute things like Harry Styles, Harry Styles, Harry Styles, Harry Styles. Oh, Harry Styles again. So yeah, it's very cute. And I have some photos of me and my friends on there. And way up there, okay, let me know. I really want to go up there. But how am I going to do that? And so yeah, I could have like a cool loft spot up there. And then here, I'm gonna hang my guitar or something, make a stand. Those are plants that I just don't want and they're dying, but I don't wanna let them die. And then finally, let's finish it off with my iconic posters of Harry and Louis and Taylor Swift. The newest addition to my dorm room is this. Dun, dun, dun. Really cool thing that probably would not hold myself and probably break something, so that's not a good idea, but it's fun, so who cares? Dun, 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 dun. It's a hammock, but it like holds my bed when I do it, so yeah, it's chill. Maybe I'll chill in here, I don't know. It's cool, right? Let me try laying this way for the thumbnail. Here's my hammock. Bum, bum, bum. Transition. Whoa. It kind of pulls my bed from the wall. So this is the state of my room right now, and I'm moving it around a little bit so I can get up there. So we're gonna go up there now and try. We got a Sharpie, and we're gonna try going up there now. Okay, well, I'm gonna get to my dresser. Oh my gosh, there's 2 dirty socks up here, and it's slanted. That is kind of scary, but we're gonna go. Don't know how I'm gonna get up there. This is my view, and this is my view down. I need like something else to get me higher up there. Guys, so basically I redid my whole entire room right after I filmed this, so if you want to see a part 2, let me know. Anyways, I'm on top of my dress right now. It's fun and cool, and have a great day. Toodles.